Top 5 SECSGEM implementation mistakes equipment vendors make.
Is your semiconductor equipment failing fab acceptance because of SECSGEM issues? Many equipment vendors lose weeks, sometimes months, fixing avoidable SECSGEM mistakes. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 SECSGEM mistakes equipment vendors should avoid. Mistake 1. Treating SECSGEM as an afterthought. Many vendors develop the machine first and add SECSGEM at the end. But in modern fabs, SECSGEM is not optional. It is part of the core architecture. Late implementation leads to incomplete state models, poor alarm mapping, host communication instability. Fix. Design SECSGEM alongside machine control from day one. Mistake 2. Incorrect equipment state model. Following the SEMI standards like E30GEM and E37 HSMS is mandatory. Common issues: wrong control state transitions, missing remote local handling, inconsistent processing states. This causes host rejection during FAT-SAT MES integration delays. Fix strict compliance testing against SEMI standards. Mistake 3. Poor alarm management. Typical problems: hundreds of unnecessary alarms, no proper alarm ID documentation, no enable-disable support. Fabs expect structured alarm handling, not chaos. Fix. Categorize alarms: critical, warning, info. Maintain alarm documentation. Implement proper S5F1, S5F3 handling. Mistake number 4. Weak data collection design. Many vendors expose too few variables or expose too many irrelevant ones. Result: poor traceability, MES overload. Fix. Define status variables, SVs, data variables, DVs, equipment constants, ECs, collection events, CEIDs. Mistake 5. No host simulation testing. Vendors often test using basic tools, not real MES simulation. When the equipment reaches a fab, integration fails. Fix. Test with a full GEM host simulator before delivery. SECSGEM compliance isn't just about communication. It's about fab readiness. If you're an equipment vendor, avoiding these mistakes can save months of integration time. In our next video, we'll cover advanced SECSGEM pitfalls that even experienced OEMs make.